What's up, everyone? I swear, y'all, I've been obsessed with this AI avatar thing lately. Like, it's not even funny how many times I've been asked about creating an AI influencer. So girl, listen up because I'm about to spill all the tea on how to make your very own AI avatar influencer. Trust me, it's gonna be lit. It's like we're living in some sci-fi movie. But instead of killer robots, we've got digital influencers taking over YouTube. Wild, right? Okay, let's get into it. First things first, what even is an AI avatar influencer? Basically, it's like having a digital version of yourself that can create content 24/7. I'm not even joking. These avatars are taking over YouTube faster than you can say, subscribe. They're trending because, hello, they never get tired, never have bad hair days. You know what I'm saying? It's like having a twin, but one that doesn't steal your clothes or eat the last slice of pizza. But here's the real tea. AI avatars are changing the game for content creators. Like, imagine having a clone of yourself that can pump out videos while you're sleeping. It's kind of like having a superpower, but for social media. And let me tell you, brands are all over this stuff because it's the future of influencer marketing. It's like move over human influencers, the robots are coming, but make it fashion. Now, let's talk about the fun part, creating your avatar's personality. This is where you get to play God, y'all. You need to decide what your avatar is all about. Are they a sassy fashionista, a nerdy gamer, a fitness freak? Whatever you choose, make sure it's something you're passionate about because, trust me, authenticity matters. It's like creating a character for a movie, but this movie is your life, no pressure. Once you've got the personality down, it's time to design your avatar's look. Girl, this is like playing dress up, but way cooler. You want your avatar to stand out, so don't be afraid to go wild with the hair, the outfits, the accessories. And don't forget about the voice. You can either use AI voice tools or record your own voice. Just make sure it matches the personality you've created. You know, like how my voice perfectly matches my amazing personality. And if you're feeling extra, give your avatar a catchphrase. Maybe something like, "What's poppin' pixel people?" I don't know, I'm just spitballing here. Okay, now for the slightly techie part, but don't worry, I'll make it super easy to understand. There are tons of tools out there for creating your AI avatar. Some popular ones are Reallusion, Ready Player Me, and Character.ai. These are basically like Photoshop, but for making digital humans. How cool is that? You just need to play around with them until you find the one that works best for you. It's like dating apps, but instead of swiping right on potential soulmates, you're swiping right on your future digital self. Now, once you've got your avatar looking fly, you need to bring it to life. This is where animation software comes in. You'll need to sync your avatar's movements with the audio of your script. It might sound complicated, but trust me, if I can figure it out, anyone can. There are even some AI tools that can do a lot of this stuff automatically. Technology, am I right? It's like we're living in the future, but without the flying cars. Come on, Elon, where are our flying cars? All right, we're in the home stretch now. You've got your avatar, you've got your personality. Now it's time to hit that upload button. But first, you need to set up your YouTube channel. Make sure your channel art and profile pic match your avatar's vibe. And when you're writing your first script, keep it short and sweet. Maybe introduce your avatar and tell your audience what kind of content they can expect. It's like the first day of school, but instead of making friends in the cafeteria, you're making friends in the comment section. Now, here's the real talk. Growing your AI influencer channel is going to take work, just like any other channel. You need to engage with your audience, respond to comments, and keep improving your content. But the cool thing is, you can do all this while your avatar does the heavy lifting of creating videos. And remember, be transparent about your avatar being AI. Honesty is key, you know what I'm saying? We're not trying to catfish anyone here, we're just trying to entertain and maybe take over the world. I mean, YouTube. Did I say world? I meant YouTube. Alright fam, that's a wrap on your complete guide to creating your first AI avatar influencer. I'm telling you, this is the future of content creation. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start building your digital empire. And hey, if you see my AI avatar out there, tell her I said hi. Now go forth and conquer the digital world, my little pixel warriors. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.